Probably you're thinking about, if you're in this stage, you're asking about who is Freddy, what his team look like, how make these things happen. So I'm gonna break down for you what my entire process look like from start to finish, and what my team is involved, how we work, and all of those things. By the end of this video, you're gonna have knowledge to really understand what the entire process of rendering, design, and budgeting all do looks like. So we have a team in house for a lot of these things. Now when it comes, let's just answer the render part. You're gonna be impressed with this. So I'm gonna just bring to you one of the projects we are working on it right now, right here. You're gonna love this. So I'm gonna break it down, and this is a project we are working on it. Once we have the full picture, we're gonna go and render the entire space. For example, let me just break them right here. So her name is Marisol. We have two girls. We have Marisol, she's amazing, and also we have we have also Vanessa. She's amazing also. She knows a lot of things. They have two girls. They make this thing happen. So let's take example this for this project. This project has been already rendered. This is from the outside what it looks like. It's gonna be full home remodeling. This is the inside pictures, kitchen area, door, storage. So this happens after we go through the selections. Here are some bathrooms, all of those things right here. And the cool thing is, do you wanna see cool thing, something in here? Let me see, where is it? You wanna see something cool? If I can pick it, if I can open. No, but I can open something right here and see this. Let's move this one right here and close this out. Look at this. This will be a 3D render with 360. What's gonna look like after you do the selections. Look at this. This is just awesome. You get to picture the entire space before we put a hammer on the wall. What do you think about that? You have a completely transparency. You can understand all the details. We can discuss everything right here. And by the way, this takes a lot of time. This mirror right here, we had to custom build the entire piece. It took 4 hours for her to build this, just this piece, just the mirror right here. So it's a lot of detail work, but at the end, it's exactly what the client or the family wants and needs or like. With that in mind, we know we can show them this is what we can build for you. At this point, you can tweak it also. Ready? Let's just change that because I don't like it is whatever it is. So I think when it comes to the rendering part. Now, when it comes to the budgeting part, I have my what I'm doing. When it comes to the budgeting part, it's my team in house. We build a custom budget. So in my team it is Heidi, Patricia, Veronica, Marisol, Vanessa. There's 5 girls behind me helping me out to make this process service easy for you. Myself, no way I can do all this service. I cannot do it. So that's the process of rendering. We got detail everyone. We got draw some little details and then showcase in 3D for you. Alright, thanks so much. Hope I give you guys some insight about what's happening behind the scenes and who I am and how can I give you the service you deserve, the clarity you need, so you can make the best decision for your life and you get to love your contractor. So thanks so much. Remember, you as a consumer get to ask these questions. This is for you. This is your home. You work super hard for your money. You get to ask all of this. So take care. Have a wonderful day.